I'm a professional gundog trainer here down in West Sussex, and what I really like is this retrieve range from Harkila. First and foremost, it's waterproof. It's got to be waterproof, and I've been out in the field in beat on wet days, and we've had this kit for over a year now, and I don't need over trousers. What I require is just these trousers, this coat, and it just doesn't come through. It does not come through, so we faced all weather. Other thing about this, being whether you're a shooter or a dog handler, at some points you've got to stretch yourself out to either cast the dog out or to shoot with a shotgun. And that requires the kit to stretch and move with your body. And this does that, and it allows freedom of movement, whether you're shooting or running a dog. It allows the situation for you not to be restricted and to get what needs to be done straight away. It has that traditional feel. I mean, we've got this storm cuff inside here, which stops the water coming down when you're casting a dog or if you're shooting. Keeps your arms dry. You can tighten it up with the Velcro straps here. Say we're working a dog some ridiculous yardage. Sometimes I can work my dogs between 200 and 500 yards away, and especially when I'm trialing, a group of people might be around me, and that might be guns and judges and game carriers. And so when the dog is looking back at me to take a command, I need to direct it quickly. One of the key features of this is this board here. Some people call it the cheese board, which is quite nice for a bit of breakfast, or Levins is. But mainly, I can get the dog to sight me straight away, give it the command, and then move that dog quickly. So that's a nice little key feature here. The whole thing's thought through. Just another point here is what I really like is we've got the split here. So when we're casting the dogs, the back can move. We've got the game pocket here that allows us to carry game or dummies. And all these are really thought out key features that allows the dog handler or the shooting person to be able to do what they need to do. What's really nice about the women's range, it's designed to be fitted for the woman's shape of body, so therefore you'll see well it fits. Being an ambassador for Harkila, I get the kit early, and what that does, it allows me to try and test it. And I've had this for well over a year now, and it's been out in all seasons, and I gotta say, it hasn't failed me. This is called the Retrieve range from Harkila. The jacket here is $369.99. Good value, I think, and the trousers is $259.99.